Hey friends, welcome back once again, and in this video we'll be making the universally loved Paneer Butter Masala. The speciality is that it is completely oil free and will be ready within 30 minutes. So let's begin. Here is the list of ingredients. For my friends out there, if you don't want to add onion and garlic in this recipe, you can skip it by all means, but make sure you at least add the ginger paste. First, take 10 gram of butter in a deep pan and wait till it gets heated. Then add 2 bay leaves for a distinctive flavor and fragrance, followed by the chopped onions and salt. Add few cashew nuts and 2 red chilies. Then add the chopped tomatoes. And finally add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix them really well. And close the lid and let it simmer for some time. Now remove the lid and let it cool for 10 minutes. Once it comes to room temperature, take it in a blender. Add small quantity of water and blend it till it forms a really fine paste. And now the final part. Take 30 gram of butter in the pan. After it's heated, add 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chili powder and mix it well. Now add the blended puree. A pinch of salt and mix them well. Now let it simmer. Now the main ingredient, add our beloved paneer, some Kasuri Methi and half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Salt and some fresh cream and mix them really well. Now let it cook for 10 minutes in a medium flame. Once that's done, your delicious, oil-free and creamy North Indian cuisine Paneer Butter Masala is ready. Do try this quick and simple recipe. I'm sure you will love it. Please contribute with any feedbacks or ideas. Hope to see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bassam signing off. See you until then.